the research that I am conducting at the Database and Images Lab at the University of Sao Paulo at São Carlos deals with large amount of data, complex data, with a lot of diversity coming from the public hospitals of the state of Sao Paulo. We deal with images and videos mostly that provides us information that can be used by the physician, the specialist, in order to gather similar case that was treated in the past. That's it. When the specialist is analyzing a new image from a new exam, let's say thorax X-ray, the physician looks at it and says, "Oh, I have seen something similar in the past," but it is difficult to remember where, when, or the name of the patient. But if I can search in the database for similar cases that the physician has at his or her hand to find similar ones, as well as the treatment, the exams, the results, it would compose an environment for support decision making with much more comfort and less effort and more confidence, which is really good for the patients. So our research demands the databases, organization, the metric access methods, as well as image processing and visualization that provides to the specialists in the field tools and algorithms and methods that allows him or her to gather information that is very valuable from the past to the new case that is being analyzed at the moment. So in order to do so, we need to count with expertise from people from machine learning, from databases, from data provenance, from visualization and image processing. So in our team, we have physicians, we have computer scientists, we have mathematicians that work integrated in order to solve the problem that have been posed to us.